Welcome to channel. Today I want to sharing how these foods help rebuild collagen, and how to use them. Collagen is a protein your body makes from amino acids, protein, plus helpers like vitamin C, zinc, copper, and antioxidant/anti-inflammatory compounds. The foods you listed mainly support collagen by reducing breakdown, oxidative stress, and providing key cofactors, especially when paired with enough protein. 1. Dark leafy greens, Swiss chard, kale. Why they help. Rich in vitamin C, especially kale, which is required to form and stabilize collagen fibers. High in carotenoids and polyphenol that help protect existing collagen from oxidative damage. Provide magnesium and vitamin K, supportive for skin and connective tissue health. Easy uses: sauté with garlic and olive oil, add to soups, blend into smoothies. Kale. 2. Olives and olive oil. Why they help. High in monounsaturated fats and polyphenol, like hydroxytyrosol, that can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, factors that accelerate collagen breakdown. Healthy fats support the skin barrier and hydration. Easy uses: salad topper, tapenade, olive oil as your main dressing fat. 3. Flax seeds. Why they help. Great source of ALA omega-3s, which can help calm inflammation that degrades collagen. Provide lignans, antioxidants. Support gut health, fiber, which indirectly supports skin health. Best tip: use ground flax, whole seeds often pass through undigested. Easy uses: stir into yogurt/oatmeal, smoothies, or mix into dressings. 4. Green beans. Why they help. Provide vitamin C, modest, and plant antioxidants. Offer silica and minerals in small amounts that support connective tissue structure. Low sugar, high fiber, helpful because excess sugar can increase collagen stiffening via glycation. Easy uses: steam plus olive oil plus garlic, roast with tomatoes. 5. Tomatoes. Why they help. High in vitamin C, collagen synthesis helper. Rich in lycopene, an antioxidant associated with protection against UV-related collagen breakdown. Best tip: cooked tomatoes, sauce, increase lycopene availability, pairing with olive oil helps absorption. Easy uses: tomato sauce with olive oil plus garlic, chopped tomato salad. 6. Avocado. Why they help. Provides vitamin E, which works with vitamin C to reduce oxidative stress. Healthy fats support skin barrier function and may help reduce dryness. Easy uses: avocado plus tomato salad, mash onto toast, blend into smoothies. 7. Garlic. Why it helps. Contains organosulfur compounds that support antioxidant defenses and may help protect collagen from degradation. Sulfur is a key element in certain connective tissue compounds and structural proteins. Easy uses: sauté as a base for greens/beans, add raw to dressings, if tolerated. 8. Carrots. Why they help. High in beta-carotene, vitamin A precursor, important for skin cell turnover and repair. Antioxidants help reduce collagen-damaging oxidative stress. Easy uses: roast with olive oil, shred into salads, add to soups. 9. Pumpkin seeds. Why they help. Excellent source of zinc, a critical mineral for collagen formation and wound healing. Provide copper, also important for collagen cross-linking, plus vitamin E and healthy fats. Easy uses: sprinkle on salads/soups, blend into pesto, snack portion. Eat these foods regularly and your skin will thank you later. Follow for more simple health tips.